Hi there, this is Parth and welcome to new video guys. In this video we are going to discuss about the differences between the lithium ion batteries and the lithium polymer batteries, and what are the difference between these two types of battery, and in which specific scenarios they can be used, and also the pros and cons of both of this battery technology that we will going to discuss. So first let's talk about the lithium ion batteries. Now this is the one of the oldest technology that has been used for the decades now, and a big advantage of this battery is that it is having a high energy density. What I mean about energy density is that for a specific range, for a specific volume or the specific size, they can provide a more voltage or more power. In simple terms you can say it. And also this is specifically used for the scenarios and the applications where you don't have lots of space and there is requirement of lots of power. For an example, the big laptops and big vehicles nowadays, EVs are in the market. So nowadays lots of kind of these applications used for the lithium ion batteries. In these lithium ion batteries, the electrode that has been used is the lithium ion. That is the basic difference between the lithium polymer batteries and the lithium ion batteries. And this lithium ion is very powerful and much better electrolyte if you compare it with the lithium polymer. And major disadvantage or the cons that if we talk about of this specific lithium ion batteries, that this lithium ion being a liquid, we cannot manufacture it on the basis of lots of form factor and different kind of form factors. That is the reason you will not see this kind of batteries in the different shapes and the size. There are very limited kind of applications and types of a shape that will be used on this kind of batteries. And also this is a liquid lithium ion, so at the very high temperature and very power user, if you are specifically, let's say in case of smartphones, then if this temperature of this battery is not maintained properly, then we call this term as a thermal runaways. This is specifically for the smartphones and other electronic gadgets can be happen, and your battery may catch a fire and there will be a significant damage to your smartphone or the device or the user as well. So this is the one of the advantage and the disadvantage. And now let's talk about the lithium polymer battery. And this is, as I have mentioned, that this battery is different from the lithium ion batteries on the basis of the electrolyte. That is, polymer is used on this kind of batteries, and polymer being a very lightweight, and this will be used in the form of not a liquid but on a form of the semi-solid, or you can say on the form of the gel. So whenever you will use this kind of batteries, one major advantage of this kind of batteries is that they are very lightweight. The second one is they can be form in the different kind of a shape, because after all it is a gel and it can be formed in the different kind of a shape. So application will be much more, and much more kind of form factor will be applied on this kind of batteries if you compare it with the lithium ion batteries. But the big disadvantage with this kind of batteries is that they don't possess a very high energy density like the lithium ion batteries. So it will be used for the very limited kind of resources where very high power is not required, and where the form factor is not most criteria to keep your device form factor small and keep your device very light. So this is the application of the lithium polymer kind of batteries. Also, this lithium polymer kind of batteries doesn't have any shell or the protection like of the aluminum or the SS, which is a stainless steel, which will be used in case of a lithium ion battery. So the battery can be punctured or the damage with a minimal mechanical damage. So users or the manufacturers have to be very cautious about this kind of batteries while manufacturing it. And also if you talk about the advantage in comparison to the lithium ion batteries, then we can say that lithium polymer batteries are easy to manufacture, and it is also much more cost effective, since the what you say, you have to not don't have to necessarily use the aluminum or any kind of metal which is very expensive as compared to the lithium ion batteries. Also, the lithium polymer batteries is not as oldest technology as the lithium ion batteries. For example, if you remember the older Nokia phones, Nokia 3300, 5300, and etc. Any other keypad models, that is a feature phones, that was using the lithium ion battery. So the technology is very old, but lithium polymer battery technology is not very old, and still it is in the development. Yes, many more manufacturers that are using batteries are using lithium polymer batteries in the specific case scenarios, but it is still not as proven as the lithium ion batteries. So this is the one thing you have to consider. Also, in terms of the mechanical damage due to puncture and stuff, there are much less chances in the lithium ion batteries if you compare it with the lithium polymer batteries, because as I have mentioned, they are using some shell kind of a structure to prevent both the electrodes of the cathode and anode, whereas in the lithium polymer batteries we don't have this kind of a protection. But yes, the major thing of concern is that lithium ion batteries, due to their high energy density and what is a higher power rating, they often tends to have a problem of temperature, higher temperatures, and we can actually have to be careful while using this kind of battery at the higher temperatures and on the higher side of loads. So guys, that was all about the two different battery technologies, lithium ion batteries and the lithium polymer batteries. What do you guys think about both of these batteries, and whatever smartphone you are using, what kind of battery technology that it has been using? You can search on your Google. And if you have liked this video, then share and subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye. Take care.